What are you, blind? Why, you don't see there's a line? I've been standing here a half hour already. You get to just walk in? Must be nice being the sheriff. Do whatever the fuck you like.
I work here.
And what great work you do, Sheriff.
That didn't feel very genuine.
Yeah, I'm gonna fuck him up.
Fucker.
Yes, I see. Because you are the one bringing this to me, Miss Snow. The one who so simply stumbled upon this catastrophe on our very doorstep. The last thing I need with Mayor Cole away is a hysteria. Do you understand me?
Yes, of course I
Don't
do.
interrupt me, Miss Snow.
You asked me a question.
Don't change the subject. You are to blame for this unpleasantness, Miss Snow.
I brought you this news as soon as I could.
You are trusted to keep things running smoothly around here. This is a disaster.
Back off, Ichabod. It's not her fault.
I don't need your help, Bigby.
Instead of trying to assign blame, maybe we should figure out how to catch the fucker who did this.
Yeah.
Oh, says the man who is most to blame for this catastrophe. How
5 seconds
convenient.
ago, you said it was her fault.
Sheriff, you are the one charged with protecting the citizens of Fabletown. Your failure to do so
That's
cost
Fabletown,
someone
not
their
Fabletown.
life and the safety of the entire community. Tell me you've been doing something. Are there any leads? Suspects? Anything. Anything at all. Any shred of evidence you two know what the hell you're doing.
Yeah, her pimp.
Her... was she a...
Yeah. She was worried about a money situation.
Well, this is just wonderful. Not only is a fable killed, but it was a fable hooker to boot. You two need to get a handle on this situation quickly and quietly. The last thing we need is all of Fabletown knowing there's a killer amongst us. Snow,
Yes? Sir?
call Vivian right this minute and let her know I'm coming in early for my massage.
I will.
Where is the bottle of wine you were to purchase? Oh, bother. Forget it. Can't do anything right. Do your job, Sheriff. Or we'll find someone who can.
You would have just pissed him off more.
All right.
Well, that could have gone better.
I told you not to tell him.
I know. I probably should have listened to you.
Yeah.
Oh, Crane doesn't like people smoking and...
Light it.
Never mind. Smoke away.
What an asshole.
Yep. That was about an 8 on the asshole scale. Asshole scale? Well, that doesn't sound right.
Is he gone?
Yes, thankfully.
Found your wine.
Buffkin!
Hello, Miss Snow.
Drinking? This early? Where did you get that?
It was by Mr. Ichabod's desk.
Then don't you think it probably belongs to him?
Yes.
Maybe.
But fuck him, he's an asshole.
How are you today, Mr. Bigby?
It hasn't been a great morning, Bufkin.
Sorry.
Not your fault. Thanks for asking, though.
That's awful
Buffkin,
nice.
get the books.
Which books?
The ones with all the fables in it.
Not sure that was any more specific.
Bring the first 3.
Be back in a few minutes.
He knows the ones I'm talking about. There's bound to be information on her here.
She did not sound that confident. Oh, yeah.
You'll at least be able to get
He
her
absolutely
real
knows
name
what
from
we're
the
talking
books whenever Buffkin finds them. In
Her
the
real
meantime,
name.
poke around. Maybe the mirror can help. I really have to get this appointment squared away, but let me know if you need anything. Hello, Vivian? Hi, this is Snow White, Mr. Crane's
Hook up the
assistant.
lamp.
Worth a try.
Yes, that's right.
Magic lamps are pretty much just lamps, after the genie's been freed.
Yes, I mean, I questioned it only due to the amount. It seemed a bit excessive.
Hey, magic mirror. I got a question.
You know the rule.
There's
I don't
a
have time
Mandela
for this
effect.
shit.
Your impatience is callow.
theory
You're
on that.
needlessly cruel, but have some respect for our history and rules.
It's a decent rhyme.
Mirror, mirror. If you're
But
able.
it's
Tell
actually
me
not
all
mirror,
about
mirror on
this
the wall.
fable.
It's
See?
magic mirror.
Was that so hard?
Yeah, I'm about 2 seconds away from kicking a hole in you.
There's no need for that.
Although he's not on the wall.
Of
He's
which
on the stand.
fable do you wish to know?
Show me Snow White.
Not much of a request. She's in this very room.
I don't know her name. Not yet, anyway.
Well, until you do, I can't help you.
Well, that leaves the woodsman.
Show me the woodsman. Where is he?
What you see is complete. The woodsman stumbles down a street.
No shit. Which street?
I'm sorry, Bigby. I can only show you what can be seen.
Nobody right now.
Not a lot of help.
Very well.
asshole.
Please return should you wish to ask about someone else. Or someone new.
Someone new. Someone else or someone new.
Well, I'm sure we'll get it all cleared up. Okay. Thank you.
So, I really dig fairy tales. I grew up in Germany. How many times can I mention that? Right? But, we didn't really do the Disney stuff, right? Because, I mean, Germans, you got the Brothers Grimm. Tarot deck.
Tarot cards. Jack brought them back from Appalachia. Who knows where they were before then? Or what he did to get them.
Jack. I'm assuming Jack and the Beanstalk.
Strength. I guess it comes in all forms.
No, they always did sort of portray him as... The Americans always kind of portrayed him as a hillbilly of sorts. Okay, that was definitely Snow White, I think.
Damn. Just what the fuck is this supposed to mean?
Prince Charming? Why is Thanos' gauntlet there?
We'll start with these. Any information on fables in our community will be somewhere in these books.
Okay.
I think her name was Red. She didn't make it out.
Oh,
Red Riding Hood's knight in shabby armor.
The woodsman?
Yep, and his axe. And there's me. Not a good day.
I'm pretty sure that's supposed to be me.
dude, those are some evil-looking
Yeah,
dwarves.
dwarves. Less said about that, the better. Colin and his brothers. I've seen this before.
That's the
This
symbol of the
symbol
ring.
on the man's clothes. It's the same as the rings.
Could be her father. or husband.
And the
This
girl's
has
wearing the
most
same
of the emblems of the
ring
old
in the
days,
thing.
and usually what family they come from. If it's in here, we'll have her name.
Let me look at that again. Oh, dude. What's the name of that? Fuck.
Ichabod Crane. Scared shitless.
Aloysius.
What's that?
Your boss. His finest moment. I don't
Aloysius.
understand how he ended up running this place.
My German's terrible.
Maybe it's time that changed.
It's the, fuck. The bitch of many furs. And it was, inspired or adapted from, the Coat of Many Colors. So, alright. This dude's married to, the king's married to a really hot chick. Because kings get to marry hot ones. And, she's sick. I mean, back then they didn't call it cancer, but yeah. So, the queen's dying of cancer and shit. And she's the most beautiful woman alive. So the king, trying to be sweet, he's like, I won't ever marry again unless she's as beautiful as you. A nice, sweet way of saying, I'll never marry again because no one could be as beautiful as you. They had a daughter, and she ends up looking just like her mom. Therefore, she's just as beautiful. So, this dude was gonna... Yeah, there it is.
Great.
What?
I can't read any of this
So
shit.
dude was gonna marry his
I
daughter.
can help.
So she,
Yeah.
wore a bunch of furs. And
We look out for each
she
other.
ran away into the
Don't
woods and
overdo
she
it. What's it
had
say
to live
about
off of
that?
furs.
It says Bricklebit in an older elvish hand.
And then,
What's
like,
Bricklebit?
A magic word.
What's it do?
she
Makes
took a
animals shit
job
gold.
for the next kingdom. Or at the next kingdom, like, as a cook or dishwasher or something.
What's it say about that?
It says Bricklebit in an older elvish hand.
What's Bricklebit?
A magic word.
What's it do?
Makes animals shit gold.
It works. But,
What's that?
So,
It
her
reads,
father, from
Mark
the
of
next
the house
kingdom over,
of the Frog Prince.
he comes over to,
What I'm looking for.
like, some diplomatic ship. And, he recognizes her from the kitchen. So, he, ooh, there's the ring. So, he fucking, basically tells the king, give me that dishwasher or, we'll go to war. Lots of people will die. So, her real father is trying to bang her, and her adopted father just trades her off. And then it ends with, she marries her father. Would
This
make
is
you
the
think
one.
maybe that's why they didn't,
Where's this symbol from?
make a
Which
Disney
family or
movie out of
story?
it, but
That's an odd one. Family name? Aloysius. I'll go look it up.
That's what I said.
Lyra. That means every kind of fur in German.
Donkey skin.
Yes. What does it say?
Donkey skin girl, also known as donkey skin, also known as ass skin, prefers to go by the name Faith. Poetic?
Bufton, we don't need the commentary.
The story of Donkey Skin. There was once a great king with a beautiful queen. The queen grew ill and had her
Yeah,
husband
that's what I
promise
said.
to only marry the most beautiful girl in the kingdom. After a long search, it became clear that
Yeah,
the only
Disney
woman in
made
the
a-
land that could match her beauty was... his daughter, Faith.
Disney made a movie about the Little Mermaid.
She had a
I
magic
always
cloak
thought
made
Little
from the skin of her
Mermaid was
father's
the-
prized donkey.
one of
that
the
would
most
hide her
depressing
beauty so
stories
she
of
could
all.
escape his kingdom. Eventually, she married
I mean,
a
this
prince
one's
who could
pretty
see
bad.
past the magic cloak and knew her true beauty.
In many, many
They lived
ways
happily
worse.
ever after.
Because Little Mermaid, you know, after she gets burned by
Should
the
I
prince,
Mark it, Miss
She,
Snow?
Yes. Please.
mark it. Oh.
And what's her husband's name?
Lawrence. Prince Lawrence.
But after she gets burned by the prince, she decides to rejoin
We
her
got
family
what we came for.
and tries to swim to the
Her
bottom
name's
of the
Faith.
ocean.
She was married to Prince
As a
Lawrence. I mean, that's more than
Her
we...
name was Faith.
Yeah.
We should talk to the husband.
You think he did it?
Nothing would surprise me at this point. We can't rule him out.
He found out his wife was hooking. Sure. Let's check the mirror. Ooh, that loose book. Oh, can't pick it up. Trunk. Chariot? Magic mirror. Ooh, tarot card.
You know what this means?
Tarot is a backwards art. I wouldn't put too much stock in its wisdom, Bigby.
Not when you've been so helpful.
Prevision's muddy. I'm as clear as a window.
Mirror, mirror, blah blah able, blah 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 about this fable.
Of which fable do you wish to know?
Show me Faith.
Through powerful magic, her whereabouts concealed. Unfortunately for you, these lips are sealed.
What?
These lips are sealed.
These lips are sealed.
Yeah, I just said
It's
that.
not my choice of phrasing, Bigby. It's simply the way this has to be.
Show me Faith's father, the old king.
Yahoo.
Guess that crosses him off the suspect list. He's a prince, I think. Show me Prince Lawrence.
And
What's he
he
been
slits
doing?
wrists.
Where is this?
Where's what?
Do you know where Prince Lawrence lives?
If he's a prince, probably relocated in the South Bronx. Yellow building, red window shutters.
Red frames.
Yep, that's the one. I can take us there.
Cool.
Nobody right now.
Anything we can use?
Yeah, that'll have to do for now.
Come on, we're going over there. Sorry, I have to get that. Hello, Woodland's business office. Yes, He is. Hold on. Bigby, it's for you.
Bigby, it's me, Toad. You there?
Sorry about the car.
Yeah, it's fine. Bigby, shit. Listen, right, there's a bloke upstairs going through all the woodsman's things. Get over here, Bigby, before he... Oh, wait, hang on. Why? Shit. Hey!
What was that about?
Hard to say. Something going on over at Toad's place.
What about Faith's husband?
I don't know, I couldn't really tell. But he could be in trouble. And we should go there anyway to search her apartment. Toad might have to wait.
Whenever you're ready. Did Toad say who was there? Was it the woodsman?
I don't know, it's possible. Whoever it was, it didn't seem like Toad was happy to see him.
Well, maybe Prince Lawrence can wait.
Yeah, he didn't see him. He could use some help, too.
Well, where to first?
Toad. I like Toad.
Bigby, shit. Listen, right? There's a bloke upstairs going through all the woodsman's
You
things.
think he did it? What's her husband's name?
Lawrence. Prince Lawrence.
Bigby, it's me, Toad.
Toad sounds like he needs help right now. We can check in on Prince Lawrence after.
Okay. I'm not looking forward to breaking the news to him anyway.
Glass slipper shoes.